oko wach mar okuma mar thieth manyien mong'ere kaka SHIF chenro mane owinjore chak tiyo chop tarik 1 dwe mar 10 higani. Kaka ripota mar Millicent Adhiambo leronwa, jong'ad buche adek omiyo od bura ndalo 120 mar kawo pach jopiny kaluwore kod chike ma pacho ka. Kata kamano, chenro mar ndikruok ne SHIF to pod biro dhi mbele.
Jong'ad buche adek Alfred Mabea, Robert Limo kod Frida Mugambi oyango ni Social Health Insurance Fund kata SHIF ok nyal chako biro tiyo nikech ne ok okawo pach jopiny motelo ne chenro makamano gino madhi ataro mar chik.
The objectives and purpose of the impugned legislations were to have a progressive, transformative and a huge impact in the realization of universal health care for this country. However, the haste with which they were enacted infringed on the national values and principles of the Constitution. Inasmuch as we appreciate the noble intention, we cannot disregard the clear constitutional tenets which binds us. Article 20 requires us to promote and protect the values that underlie an open and democratic society and the spirit, purpose and objects of the Bill of Rights.
Jong'ad buchego koro chiwo ndalo 120 mondo jod bura mamalo otim lokruoge makare kapok oket SHIF mondo obed chik. Nono to ibiro wite oko chutho kochopo tarik 20 dwe mar 11 higani.
We find that the petition is meritorious and we allow it in the following terms. A. Let Parliament undertake sensitization, adequate, reasonable, sufficient and inclusive public participation in accordance with the Constitution before enacting the said acts and amend the unconstitutional provisions in terms of this judgment. B. Compliance with the A above be undertaken within 120 days of the date of this judgment. C. Within that period, the acts shall remain suspended. A declaration is hereby issued that the entire Social Health Insurance Fund Act 2023, the entire Digital Health Act 2023, and the entire Primary Health Act 2023 are all unconstitutional for the reasons set out in this judgment and therefore invalid, null and void. Since this was a public interest litigation, we order each party to bear own costs.
Okang makama marwito oko Social Health Insurance Fund kata SHIF koro oduoko pinyo wacho elum kod chendo makamano kaluore ni en manandalo achiel kende bang' jatend piny Kenya William Ruto lando ayanga chako tich mar SHIF chopari kachiel dwe mar 10 higani kuma ndikruok nowinjore otimre kuom ndalo 45.
Our universal health coverage plan has already onboarded 107 community health promoters, and the process of registration for our Social Health Insurance Fund is ongoing, on its way to launch on the new date of 1st of October 2024 that will make it possible for every Kenyan to have a health insurance and for those suffering from critical illnesses to have access to the Critical Illness Fund.
Ng'eto makama ochiu tok Joseph Enoch Aura riwruok ma jo KMPDU kod riwruok jotije piny owacho dhi DOHO mar chungo chenro no mar SHIF kuma bende jong'ad bura ne oyudo ni okumba manyien no mar SHIF ne dhi kelo pek kod lal e osach jomoko kaluwore kod pogruok e chudo. Millicent Adhiambo, Ramogi TV.
Erokamano Millicent kuom lipodno kopogore koda